This is a schematic diagram of a simple operation. I'll explain how it works in general, introduce the principles of how to assemble. This is not what the machine actually looks like, because it takes about a month to design a complete machine. I'm just introducing it so that you understand what I mean. This machine has 5 working heads and 6 working platforms. The first working head is responsible for placing this glass covered with a black handle. Here it is. This working head picks up the black handle from here and places it in the working platform fixture. There's a jig in this workbench. After the parts are put away, this is a large rotating work platform. The working platform rotates to the position of the second working head. The second working head is responsible for picking and placing the glass cover. It'll suck the glass cover from here, and then it's placed in this work platform fixture. Put it here after the work head is absorbed. Then the third one, this workbench is responsible for centering. The function of positioning the glass cover and handle, to ensure that the black handle and the glass cover are aligned in the same center position. Then the fourth working head is responsible for picking and placing the black gasket. It is responsible for holding the gasket in this screw. How does this black gasket automatically feed? This gasket is provided by this vibrating feeder. This is a vibrating feeder. The working head picks up the black gasket and places it in the center hole of the glass cover. Pick it up and place it in the center of this glass cover. Pick up from here. Then place it in this position. After the gasket is placed, the circular working platform rotates under the fifth working head. Rotate to move to the fifth working head. This working head is responsible for assembling the screws. Assemble and tighten the screws. We are currently in the design phase, and we will design the machine according to your company's requirements to ensure that it meets your needs. This number 5 working head is responsible for assembling this screw. After the screw is assembled, move it under the 6th working head. The 6th working head removes the finished glass cover from the fixture. The working head picks up the glass cover and places it above the automatic conveyor. Does your company have an automatic conveyor? If so, please move the conveyor to the side of the 6th workhead. This is how the machine works. This machine is fully automatic. The operator's job is simply to replenish the machine with various parts. This fixture platform is used to place the glass cover. After the number 2 working head picks up the glass, the platform below will automatically rotate the glass cover. Then the black handle here is the same, it will automatically rotate until there are enough handle parts. We calculated this time. Assemble a glass cover and come out with the finished product. It takes about 7 seconds. Assembling 5,000 glass covers a day takes 10 hours. It takes about 7 seconds to get the finished product out, and there's no need for an operator to guard the machine. It's fully autonomous. Let us know if your company has any requirements, and we will design it according to your company's requirements.